Nafisa.N. And today we are going to learn if a person that is shy, can they dance and can they get over it? Firstly, I will tell you what you need to hear and not what you want to hear. Is that even possible? Is that possible that a person who's shy and they start dancing, they come out of their shell? The answer to that is yes, they can. But how and why is that possible? So, my first reason to a shy person joining a dance class is the constant dopamine. A person who enjoys dance and joins a dance class, they get a constant dopamine which will help them to bring up their confidence and they will enjoy the dance every time. We also have teachers and instructors and the staff helps in overcoming the shyness. And we have programs that help them overcome their shyness. Looking at other people perform is a huge push to their ego, which helps them with overcoming shyness. Second reason is people, when they join a class, they constantly think that they are being judged by the teacher or by their friends, by the other students. That's not true. A lot of people are just thinking about themselves. They're thinking whether they're doing the dance properly, whether the moves are correct. They're just focused on the teacher and they're doing their step. They are not bothered about what's happening with you, whether you're doing it right. They're not bothered. Secondly, dance is like an art. If you've seen painters, they do different kinds of paints. Not every artist, whether he sketches or whether they draw or whether they paint, they don't do the same art. They don't do the same work. And that's why a lot of people enjoy their work. The same way with dance. Dance is an art. There's no fixed way of doing it. The only thing that we teach in our dance class is the technique and how to clean and the other things. But your style is not what we will try to change. Everybody has a style and all styles are beautiful. We always encourage people to have their style because that's what brings out a dance. The third reason is to get to know other people and their struggles with dance. Dance is not a struggle, but every beginner feels like it's a struggle. When a step is shown in class or corrected in class, another person can learn from that correction and they can learn and they can fix their mistakes. By looking at other people, one can learn and fix their mistakes. For example, some people have an issue with flexibility. Some people have issues with technique. Some people don't put enough energy in their dance. So the teacher or the instructor will tell you what to do and how to do. And when it is being corrected, other people or you can learn from how you can fix your mistakes. When you join a dance class, an instructor is there at every step to help you and guide you and to develop you and your skills. That's it for today. Hope you learned something from this video and I'll see you in the next video. Happy dancing.